shall be implemented during the construction and commissioning phase. So this will be done by EPC contractor.
Yes.
This you can do later on, no problem. So lesson learned, workshop EPC contractor shall do it. So this will go because this is the same repeated job. So this will go. Yeah. Demolition. So yes, so you are going to have some demolition, of course, of the piping parts, some removal of valves and some instrument. So this has to be demolished and disposed of as per the waste management plan. Yeah, demolition of existing piping, drain pipeline, HOV, this will be done. And so method statement, demolition. Method statement shall be prepared and reviewed, correct? Waste. Dispose demolished demolished waste shall be disposed of. Wrong. So ensure the demolition method is there and company and dispose of all. Okay, so this will be the EPC contractor. They will do it because when EPC contractor will come, we will also do the NV and we will also prepare the waste management plan and environment management plan. So they will dispose of through the approved vendor.
Yes.
Via approved.
FVL.